Hey guys, we're doing team draw now for the 4-box break. It's 5:47 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants are going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Teams now. We're going 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Random complete. And teams are Corey Warriors, Zach Blazers, Dave Ellis Grizz, Zach Suns, Dobell Sixers, Scott Rhodes Hawks, Grant McDonald Pacers, Albie Nuggets, Nick Vorsa Pistons, George Kayla with the Pelicans, Jen with the Lakers, Zach with the Jazz, Jeff with the Raptors, Scott with the Heat, TJ Rockets, Grant with the Celtics, Talal with the Wolves, Jimmy with the Wizards, TJ Kings, Mr. Holland Clippers, Jason Aire Mavericks, Chris with Cavs, Jerome Dundas, Scotty with the Nets, Palmasano Knicks, Scotty with the Spurs, Glenn with the Bulls, Albie with the Magic, Guy with the Hornets, and Mr. Coulson with the Bucks. That's it.